if you are finding it hard to meditate, you are finding it difficult to concentrate, then this video is for you. Kindly watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to teach you how to meditate. This video is for a beginner. This video is for a beginner totally. So it's going to help you, whether you are advanced or you are not advanced, you are finding it difficult. This video is totally for all beginners. So even an advanced person can still use this technique I'm going to teach in this video to meditate. But before I go into the teaching of today, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you've not joined my prophetic school, or you've not got prophetic course and prophetic book, use the link below to get my prophetic course and books. Thank you and God bless you. Now, what is meditation? The first thing you need to understand is, what is meditation? Many of you are having this mental block. Bias. How will I put it? See, meditation is not tied to any religion. Meditation is not tied to any religion. Meditation, I will say it again, meditation is not tied to any religion. So meditation is neither Buddha, Hindu, Christian, Islamic. Meditation is a tool to train the mind. Meditation is a tool or an exercise to train the mind. Meditation is the medicine for the mind. Meditation, the medicine for the mind. So meditation helps the mind to stay focused. And if you are in the prophetic, you are growing in the prophetic, one of the things you must be frequent in your life is meditation. You must know how to meditate. You must constantly reflect and meditate. Now, how do you meditate? You're finding it difficult to meditate. Now, this is what you're going to do. This video is not going to be long, because I'm going to teach everything in just 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm done teaching this meditation practice. This is what you do. You get into a comfortable position, you close your eyes, and when you close your eyes, the first thing you do is relax. After you're done relaxing, then you're going to use numbers from 1 to 100. So what you're going to do is, instead of taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to start backward. You're going to recite, you're going to count the number backward. So you're going to start from 100. So when you close your eyes, if you do it, I bet your mind will not wander away, because according to science, the human mind produces a lot of thoughts, billions of thoughts per second. So meditation helps you to calm your mind and hear the voice of God. So when you've mastered how to calm your mind very well, how to stay focused, you can hear the voice of God. So this is what you're going to do. You stay in a very comfortable position. As you stay in a very comfortable position, you close your eyes. You begin to count from 100 to 1. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to start from 100, 99, 98, 97, like that. So when you do it, because you will consciously, you'll be doing it consciously, so that you will not be able, so you won't miss any number. So when you close your eyes, you'll be counting it in your mind. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89. You do it like that continuously till you get to 1. So you will discover that because you don't want to make a mistake, you concentrate on it. Because you don't want to make a mistake, you're going to concentrate on it, and before you know, your mind is not wandering away, your mind is focused. So you are training your mind on how to be focused on a particular thing. If you watch my previous video, I said I learned how to be focused. I learned how to work. Even in a noisy environment, I can still calm my mind and hear the voice of God. So this is one of the simple practices you can use to meditate. So this is a meditation practice. You count from 100 to 1. What are you doing? You are concentrating on the numbers in your heart. And this is one of the ways you can practice calling names, calling numbers in the prophetic. I'm going to teach that in my next video, how to meditate for names, how to meditate and see names, how to meditate for numbers and see people's age, people's address, stuff like that. But this is the practice I'm teaching you right now for a beginner, how to meditate effectively and how to be calm. To meditate and you will be calm and you'll be able to concentrate is to sit down. You close your eyes. Open your eyes. You begin to count. You are reciting it in your mind. You're not saying it out. Everything is happening in your heart. So you close your mind. You close your eyes. Sorry, close your eyes. So you're counting it. You will discover. Listen to me. You will discover that your mind will not be moving around. So try to do this thing every morning, every night, at least 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day. You'll discover that hearing the voice of God won't be difficult for you, and meditation won't be hard for you. I'm going to give you guys other meditation practices that I've done and has helped me grow in the things of the Spirit. Thank you for watching this video. I know this video has blessed you a lot. Do not forget to like this video, drop a comment, share this video, and do not forget to use the link below to join my prophetic school and get my prophetic course. Thank you, and God bless you.